Understanding Citation Index, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and important term in the world of academia and research: the Citation Index. This concept is crucial for students, researchers, and anyone interested in scholarly work. Let's unravel its meaning and significance together. A citation index is a kind of database or tool used in academic research. It helps you track where and how often specific scholarly articles, books, or authors are cited in other research works. Think of it as a network that shows the connection between different pieces of research. It's important because it helps you understand the impact and relevance of a study or author in a particular field. Why are citation indexes so important? They offer several benefits. 1. Measuring impact. They show how influential a piece of research is in its field. 2. Research aid. They help researchers find related studies, providing a broader context for their work. 3. Tracking trends. By analyzing citation patterns, we can identify emerging trends and shifts in various academic fields. Using a citation index might seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. 1. Choose a citation index. Select a reputable index like Web of Science, Scopus, or Google Scholar. 2. Search for a topic. Enter keywords related to your research interest. 3. Analyze results. Look at how often papers are cited and by whom. This gives you an idea of their significance and relevance. While citation indexes are mainly used in academia, they also have everyday applications. For example, they can help you find the most influential studies on health-related topics or determine which technologies are emerging in your field of interest. We hope this video helps you understand the concept of a citation index and its importance in the world of research and academia. Remember, a citation index is more than just a database. It's a window into the evolving landscape of knowledge and discovery. Thank you for watching, and stay curious.